Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic video update for Tuesday 19th of July. And we've seen Matic really making an amazing movements to the upside. I talked about the inverse head and shoulder potentially yesterday, something like the left shoulder, the head here, and the potential right shoulder, which is a bullish pattern by the way. You broke it out and you're still continuing. The technical target still remains 1.15, which I probably think in the next coming few days you're going to get that technical target, and once you get that technical target, then it's probably going to actually come up here, get rejected, and this is where you're going to have that pullback to actually come down, potentially again drop to the 0.55 level, and this will offer an amazing opportunity to trade Matic once again. Come down here, bounce off this level, maybe make a move, and then continue to even drop even lower potentially. But as long as you're not meeting this target, I cannot say it's going to drop down, because it's a technical target by the end of the day. Can a pullback happen? It can happen. You've been overextended. But if a pullback really happens, then let's talk about the EMAs, the moving averages, and where you can actually go. So you can see so far, ever since you actually started moving higher, you've really never lost the 10 EMA. So one step, second one, second, third touch, fourth touch, went up, came down, and you can see again you're making that touch once again here. So even if it's a trade that you're about to take, it seems like there's a good opportunity for this one to move high, and you can put a stop loss down for a 2.6% loss, maybe down here a little bit to the 0.8760, and you're looking for a continued uptrend from there to there. That's going to be like nearly 28% that is pending to the upside, with a stop loss of course down here, because that's a level that you're not really losing. You can already see that this is a level that is being respected, and number two, you're also bouncing off the 10 EMA, right? The 10 EMA right over there. So that means if you come down, then you're looking to drop down to 20, retest the 20. If you lose the 20, probably 55 is going to be the next big thing to look forward to moving on with the 4-hour time frame. And that's it for today's update on Matic, guys. If you want to learn the trading course, do check out 18 hours of contents of the trading course. You're going to learn a lot of things. There's 42 topics that I've covered with everything you pretty much need to know to be a good trader out there, and join our Discord for free. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.